Hello and welcome to the unboxing of Xiaomi Smart Socket Plug. This one is a Wi-Fi version. As you might know or might not know, there are two versions. One version is Zigbee and the other version is Wi-Fi. I think that the difference between the two versions is that the Wi-Fi version has power consumption. So you can follow how much your connected device, how much it consumes electricity. Also with it, you're getting one of these cheap Chinese to EU converters. This one is black. It's usually white, but it doesn't matter. It's available on AliExpress for around $10. So let's open it and see what it looks like. It's a very tiny box, as most of the things from China. You're always surprised how tiny they are. Okay, so here it is. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Yes, there is a small instruction manual, which is of course in Chinese. And we'll have to see how to pair it with the MiHome app. So let's unwrap this guy. You might get a better look without this shining foil over it. Okay. It's pretty basic design, as all Xiaomi devices. On this side, you can plug European or American things or Chinese with this triangle. But in order to plug it in into the AC, you will need this adapter. So this is how it goes. Ah, there you go. Pretty ugly, huh? Okay, so let's see how to connect it to MiHome app. Okay, so let's run the MiHome app. And from MiHome app, we will select plus, which means add new device. Now we need to find this adapter in the list of adapters. So according to the pictures, wow, there are so many of those. Mi Smart Plug, Mi Smart Power Plug. Oh God. Ha ha ha. Let's just try and plug it in, and we'll see if it recognizes it somehow. We will connect it to one of the hubs. Please press and hold the button for 5 seconds. I don't see blue light, I see yellow light. So this probably isn't the correct device. It's already blinking yellow. So this was Mi Smart Plug. Let's try Mi Smart Plug Wi-Fi Basic. I think this is the one. Hold the key on the top of the socket until the indicator light turns yellow. It's already yellow and it's already blinking, but let's just hold it for another 5 seconds just to be sure. Okay, next, scanning for device. Okay, so we will connect it to this network. It's a network for home devices on 2.4 gigahertz. It's connected, right? So once we chose the correct device, it's connected immediately. Now it's connecting the device to the network. Now it's blinking, it's in blue color. Okay, connected to network. Session timed out, device added. Okay, so now we have to set the room, and this will be in my boy's room. He will use it to power on his PC remotely. Power outlet, okay. We will make it like this. So if I ever get another outlet so that I know which one it is. Let's get started. Okay, I've read the user agreement. Okay, immediately it finds new firmware, which it wants to upgrade. So we will just do it. Don't turn off your device. Of course we won't. This might take a while. All updating in MiHome app, or as they call it now, Xiaomi app, takes a while. So let's hope it won't be too slow. Still nothing happening. Keep the device power low. Okay, let's just try again. Okay, now it managed to start the download probably. And the light on the device is blinking yellow. Okay, installing. It only needed 40%, which is kind of weird, but it's important that it works afterwards. Okay, updated successfully to the newest firmware. So right now the device is power on. Let's see. It was on, now it's off. So when you click power on, it turns on the light, the little LED on the device, it turns blue. And you can go set time and set various timers, on off time. And you can set the timer so it powers in 3 minutes or so. Let's see what else is there. Usually we have to set the, okay, we can turn off the indicator light. We can usually set the time zone for each device, which is kind of weird. They could have done only one setting for the whole application, because if it's one home, then it's for the same for all devices. My devices won't be spread in several time zones. Okay, so we just set it to Belgrade, which is the same as Prague, GMT +1. Let's see network info. It got the IP address from the router. We just checked for the updates. What else is here? Share device. So I can share it with my son. Okay, and with my wife, although she will never use it. And I think that's about everything there is. There are automation rules which we can examine. So you can say if something, for instance, if door sensor opens. But let's see what else is there. Yeah, you can only turn on, turn off, or toggle the device. So that's all there is, of course. What else would be there? So I'm not sure about the power consumption, whether it shows the power consumption or not. We will have to connect something and see if it works. So if I connect my notebook, which is now charging, it doesn't do anything. So probably this one doesn't show power consumption. I don't know. I just I can turn it on or off, but no power consumption anywhere. Probably that's a Zigbee device. So all you can do with this one is just turn it on or off. Okay, power outlet, we can see it here as a new device. So really nothing there, even though there is something plugged in. Maybe it will be shown after some time, even though I doubt it. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video and my other videos, please examine the channel, see other videos, and subscribe and help this channel grow. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.